Hello beautiful people. If you want to lose weight, you should not only reduce your calorie intake and practice some physical exercise but also include some powerful drinks that will help you lose weight fast. Losing weight effectively demands a complete change in lifestyle. Making healthier choices in all aspects of your life, including whatever you decide to eat and drink, will make your weight loss goals much more feasible. Believe it or not, an effective way to lose weight and maintain a healthy body is to have adequate hydration, which helps activate your metabolism and eliminate all toxins. 1. Smoothies with coconut oil. Many people look to eliminate fats completely from their diets when they start trying to lose weight. However, your body needs fat to perform proper bodily functions and lose weight. Just choose healthy fats. Coconut oil and its medium-chain fatty acids are metabolized differently than other fats. Add coconut oil to your smoothies to reap all its benefits and promote weight loss. But before let's go further, I have to ask you, looking for the perfect weight loss smoothie recipe? We've gathered the top 25 best smoothie recipes for fast weight loss. It's a free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free these yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. 2. Green tea. If you really want to lose weight, green tea should be part of your diet or at least a green tea supplement. Green tea is rich with natural substances that promote fat burning and speed up metabolism. The main compounds present in green tea to help you lose weight are caffeine and EGCG. 3. Green juices. Green leafy vegetables should be part of any diet for fast weight loss. Green juices allow you to consume large amounts of nutrients, vitamins and minerals found in vegetables without having to eat large amounts every day. You can use cabbage, cucumber, spinach, lemon and carrot for a drink that promotes weight loss and is refreshing at the same time. 4. Apple cider vinegar. This liquid should definitely be part of your daily drinks if you are trying to lose weight. It helps reduce the response of blood sugar especially after you eat a meal rich in carbohydrates, which can help you lose weight. All you need is a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water every day. 5. Detoxifying tea. A cup of hot tea can help your body eliminate toxins, including fats and preservatives that can cause bloating. To help in weight loss, you can consume a detoxifying tea every day, as is the case with parsley tea, hibiscus, ginger or dandelion flower tea. 6. Honey with ginger. This drink is delicious and a great way to start the day and get a good kick starts for your metabolism. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a little ginger powder in a glass of warm water. Take this drink the moment you wake up in the morning. 7. Pineapple juice. The pineapple juice helps to detoxify the body, thanks to bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins and promotes digestion. This also improves digestive health and helps you lose weight. 8. Chia water. Studies confirm that chia seed water contributes to weight loss because they contain antioxidants, amino acids and fibers, which generate a feeling of satiety and makes you feel less hungry. You should soak overnight 3 tablespoons of chia in a glass of water. Drink this mixture pure or added to juices and smoothies. This is a great easy option if you want to lose weight fast. 9. Water. And finally, here is the most important of all, the water. Water should be the main drink in your diet, so drink plenty of water every day. You should consume it on an empty stomach when you wake up, before each meal and throughout the day. It's scientifically proven that you can help your body lose weight by just drinking water. These 9 drinks suggested here are great for losing weight in a healthy way, but they don't do miracles on their own. Therefore, they should be part of a healthy diet and a routine of daily physical exercises. Also, don't forget to download our free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free 25 yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.